Morning, guys. Are you interested to have your own online business? This business will give you a free webinar. You will learn a lot of things while you're doing the business, and it's purely 24 hours 7. Even if you're on holiday, you're at home sleeping, this business is still running. That's what's good with it. Okay, by the way, I'm Cherry. I'm a nurse. I'm a mom. I'm in UK and I've been here since 2002 as a nurse. I work until now as a full-time nurse with 12-hour shift. And I know it's getting more, it's okay, the income is good. But of course, it's really different to have an extra income or extra money in our pockets, isn't it? I was thinking one day, because I said, oh, I'm getting so tired now, I really need something. I need a holiday. I want to go home to Philippines to spend my holiday, but you still have to spend or maybe to save a lot of money and be in a tight budget, even to buy for your ticket. So I was thinking one day, I said, oh, I really need something like an extra income or even to work at home with less hours. So I was scrolling this website one day and I've seen this ad, and it's good at first, and I said, but because I'm very skeptical about it, so I didn't push, I didn't check on it. I said, I've seen it many times again. And then one day I was praying and said, please give me a sign. Hopefully something will come up and will help me. And I found this ad again. And then this time I clicked, I put my name, my email, and attended the webinar. It was really, really good. And I was so interested about it. So I joined. I know there's a fee involved, but it's really worth it for all the trainings that they're going to give it to you. So what are you waiting for? Go and click, or maybe put your name and email and click the join button, and I'll see you inside. Bye for now.